To schedule a shutdown for Windows, all you need to do is right-click on the Windows icon and click on Windows PowerShell as admin. Then, type the following command. You can copy and paste from the description below. Here, all you need to enter is the time in seconds. If you want to find out how many seconds are in 6 hours, you can use AI for that too. After the scheduled shutdown is successfully set, you'll see a message confirming it. This message shows the time in minutes, which is equal to 6 hours, so don't worry. Now, to cancel the scheduled shutdown timer, you can enter the following command, and you'll get a confirmation notification that the shutdown timer is off. Using the shutdown timer can be really handy if you're downloading something big and don't want to leave your PC running all night, or if a system task is taking a while and you want to set a timer to shut down once it's done. Shutting down your PC is important for its health and also helps save electricity. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so do check them out. Thanks so much for your time. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in comment what we can improve. Have a good day.